Hi guys, okay, so this is the wig from Omgherhair and today we're working with their water curly wig. It's a 16-inch wig and it's 180 density. So it's an 8x6 lace front wig and the lace comes pre-cut as well. Also, this is their 3D upgraded DOME CAP wig. So it comes with non-slip silicone around the lace on the inside of the wig, and it also comes with non-slip silicone around the nape of the wig. As usual, the wig comes pre-bleached and it comes with a really clean natural hairline, and it also comes with a breathable wig cap, as you guys can see, which is perfect for the weather coming up. Part of the new upgrade is that the wig cap has been cut to match your ear shape, so it sits around your ears comfortably, and also it comes with the upgraded adjustable strip, so now you can actually pull the elastic at the back to fit your head. So like I said, this is the 8x6 lace front wig and the lace came pre-cut, so you can achieve a glueless install with this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig for you guys, and let's see if this is truly 100% glueless. I've got the wig on. The first thing I can notice is how clean the hairline is, and the lace as well looks amazing. So I'm just gonna adjust the wig to fit my head, and then we can go ahead and try to get this to look how it should look. So once you pull the wig, you guys can see this is not going anywhere. It fits snug and secure on my head. I'm now gonna pull out my ears on the side so that the wig can sit comfortably around my ears. I'm really liking this. I'm liking this new upgrade because they've cut the wig cap already to fit around your ears. I think for me, I'm just gonna go in to cut off the excess lace that you guys can see around.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire.
The fact that I've not applied any hair mousse, any gel, any spray, and the lace looks this good. All I had to do was just to pull the string at the back, literally one pull. The only thing I'll suggest is that maybe tie the string at the back so it doesn't come undone. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style this wig, and yeah, we're good to go, literally.
With water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying.
I can already tell this is gonna be my go-to wig from now on, because I don't think you guys are deep in how easy that was for me to just install. Like, all I had to do was just to pop the wig on my head and pull the string at the back. I didn't have to glue it down. What? No hairspray, nothing. So this is me just combing out the curls, and I really like the curl pattern as well. Like, this looks really nice. I think I'm gonna leave it like this actually. I'm not gonna add any water to the hair. And just to show you guys how snug this fits on my head is the fact that I'm literally combing out the curls, I'm pulling the hair, and it's not going anywhere. Like, the wig is literally staying in place, it's not moving. That literally took me like, what, 5 minutes? Let me zoom in so you guys can see what the hairline looks like. I'm so amazed right now. Like, I'm so shocked as to how good this looks, and it's not glued down. I've not used any hairspray, guys. Look at this. Look at the hairline. Look at the lace. So I'm just gonna hot comb the top of the hair, you know, just to get it in shape and stuff, and then after that we're done.
I wanna be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that.
So just to keep the hair in shape, because like I said, I don't want to add any water, I want to leave it like this. I'm just going to go ahead and just use a little bit of my bed head spray just at the top hair, just so it stays up and out of my face.
You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. 'Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you.
Like, guys, look at how good the hairline looks as well. It's the hairline for me. the lace, everything. So I'm just going back in with the same brush that I used to tint the lace, and I'm just going back on top of the lace again. This is so seamless, so you guys can see how seamless this is. It just melts right in. Looks so good. Usually when I work with pre-cut lace front wigs, I tend to hot comb the side of the hair to come down like this, so it hides the lace, so you can't see where the lace ends, if that makes sense. Just hot comb just the end. I'm actually very amazed right now. I don't even know what to say. I didn't have to use no hair glue, no hairspray, no gel, no holding spray, nothing. This is 100% glueless, no hair mousse, nothing. Like, and look at how seamless that looks. And the wig itself is so lush. Like, I really like the curl pattern. I'm just gonna flip my hair up and down so you guys can see how secure this fits on my head and it's not glued down. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. It's literally staying in place. Like, yeah. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this video. Literally, like, that took me less than 10 minutes for me to style, for me to install. This is what you call a wear and go wig. Like, I didn't have to do too much to the wig. I'm so in love with the hair as well. The laces, everything. The wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, and all I had to do was just to pop the wig on my head, and yeah. So like I said, once again, this is their water curly wig. It's a 16-inch wig and it's 180 density. So I think I have a cap size small because this definitely fits my head to the T, or maybe a medium, I'm not sure, but yeah, this fits my head. It fits very snug, it fits secure. I'm so impressed. I have nothing else to say aside from that. I'm just so impressed. So I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below. Please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this upgraded dome cap. I'm impressed, okay? I'm so impressed. But yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.